Morning, health officials are offering drive-through testing for COVID-19 in West Charlotte. Testing starts at 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. and it'll happen at the Stratford Richardson YMCA. That's on West Boulevard. There's no out-of-pocket cost and no appointment needed. Also, there will be testing today in Gastonia, and that includes for homeless and people with low income. The Center of Hope Emergency Shelter on South Broad Street is offering that testing from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. It's also available for people with Medicaid and or Medicare disability coverage.
Starting today, a North Carolina county is banning late-night alcohol sales in hopes that it will cut down on the spread of the virus. Orange County says businesses won't be able to sell after 10 p.m. and restaurants will have to close dining rooms by 10. This does not apply to supermarkets, though. So far, we haven't heard of any counties in our area considering something like this. Once someone tests positive, it's so important that officials can track down how they contracted the virus and who they got it from.
Yeah, unfortunately, though, most people don't know. A new study from the CDC shows only 45% of people they studied knew that they had been in contact with someone who had that virus. Most of the time, if a person was unsure, it ended up being a family member or even a coworker. North Carolina health officials say they're seeing a lot of workplace infections that spread.
They're bringing it back to home and their communities. So we are starting to see more spread in some of the leisure activities. We're seeing spread in church, obviously being spread within the home. Governor Cooper mentioned in his remarks earlier about how we're seeing spread to families. And we want to make sure we're helping folks isolate even from their own family members, which is incredibly hard. And we need to support people to do that.
Now, just to give you an idea of how easily this spreads, go ahead and take a look at this chart. Health officials in Catawba County studied one family gathering. 14 people there later tested positive for COVID. Before they showed symptoms, they spread it without knowing. At least 27 more people were affected, including some in the vulnerable age group.
This is why leaders believe contact tracing is so important. The governor said North Carolina is adding 480 new contact tracers. He says that if they call you, to please work with them. And we told you Wednesday that it's been a challenge for them. Some contact tracers are being ignored, hung up on, or even yelled at. Rowan County says that it uses the state program for contact tracing. And we spoke with Meredith Little with Rowan County Public Health, and she says that the feedback that she's getting is more positive.
I think that they've been receptive, but I think as with anything, there's always going to be the hesitation of, well, I feel like there's kind of a very minimal level of, well, I don't want to give that information out, or I don't want to say fear, but just there's a hesitation. I think just in general, it's human nature.
And there is good reason for many to be skeptical. There have been some scams out there, and this is what you need to look out for. In North Carolina, you will get an initial text from the number 45394 or an email from the State Department of Health and Human Services. The State Attorney General's office says that these messages come from their community team, and those are the specific messages that they say you should respond to.